Alright, it's Samantha, Amelia, Kai, and Amir. Together we are Khela meets 15 Port Yorker making 4.
Ah, what a beautiful day. Yeah, you're on a boat. Hopefully. Yeah, it's a boat.
We're going on the boat. Down. Yep. Oh, I thought we were moving to the other side.
It's just the motion of the ocean. Well, motion of the wave.
We're going to Center Island. Everybody's showing.
Yep.
They were just waiting for more people.
Boo-boo, you having fun? It's water. Yeah. Yeah. Are you having fun? Yeah. You need to clean your face, my love. You have like, I don't even know what. Chicken. Oh. Oh. Chicken. Alright, which one? Which one? What is that?
It's a peacock.
Oh. Oh wow. Is it like perched?
Perched.
Which one? It's a peacock. Yeah, look, it's peacock. Yeah. Yeah. You think you like head scratches? How do you know? No. Yeah. Boo Boo, we found another goat. This is a real goat. Meanwhile, you're the greatest of all time. Bye bye train. Bye train. Soon Kai, you'll also join. Did you have fun? All done. All done. Open. Kai, you hungry? Wee. Wee. Wee, 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 wee. Okay. Okay, be careful. Don't hit your chin. You want more? Okay. Beth said he's gonna call back.